Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for dropping by. Today, just a quick sort of unboxing of a watch that was recommended to me on one of my AliExpress videos. I'll put a link to that video in the corner. So shout out to Mark W, who recommended this particular watch, the SKMEI. I'm probably saying that wrong. Somebody will correct me in the comments, no doubt. SKMEI. It's the 1456, and it is a... well, it's inspired, obviously, by the metal G-Shocks. And this is it. It arrived. Took a little bit of time to come, but I think that's partly down to the Royal Mail strikes here in the UK, which is a bit of a problem. This is really heavy watch. I haven't actually weighed it, but it is really heavy. I'm not sure how to use it there. What we got? We've got mode, reset, start, light. Oh, it glows orange. Obviously not the best light to see it in. Interesting. Okay, that's a bit different. Obviously it's got quite a bit of packaging on it. Let's see if I just take this off. Quickly whip this off. Yeah, he says. I really should have some scissors. It's nicely packaged. Some nice sort of wrapping just on here. So let me undo this now and I'll put it on my wrist and see what I think. Bear with me. Oh, wow, it took a bit of time to get that blue stuff off the clasp here. It's left a few marks. I've got a feeling they'll just rub out, actually, which is good. But it was well packaged. Let me just put it on my wrist. Ooh. Right, so here we go. Very bling. It is a very long bracelet on this. Very rare. I think I mentioned this on one of my other videos recently. I have to remove any of the bracelet, but I'm going to have to on this one. There is four holes in micro adjust, but I don't think that's going to do it. I'm going to have to pop one of the links out, I think. But yeah, really nice looking watch. I don't know what else we've got on here. What's mode in it? That's obviously the normal time. Oh, it's not set correctly at this point in time. Alarm, stopwatch, dual time. Not sure what TA is. I'll have to have a look at that one for all the instructions. But yeah, got this for around £16 plus some VAT. I'll put a link into the description. Now, obviously, this is a copy. It's not a direct copy, but it's very similar to this G-Shock, which I think is the BB5600. This is obviously the resin version. This is the metal take on it. The metal Casio the metal version of this would be far closer to that. But that's what it's trying to emulate. I'll put a link up to the unboxing on this as well. I've got to say, I'm impressed, first of all. Really impressed with the length of the bracelet. It's really heavy, and I do like a watch I can feel that I'm wearing. So yeah, thumbs up so far. Now, if that isn't your style of watch, this might be your style of watch. I'll put a link to this in the corner. Thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully be dropping some videos out over Christmas. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.